Okay guys, get ready to head out for Mokan. It is Saturday. It's a 2-day race up there. I'll be racing 2 classes. Be racing a no-E and electronics class, and it is going to be a very, very warm one. As you can tell behind me, did a little bit of work this morning. Got the trailer all hooked up. The truck's all loaded up and about ready to head on out of here. What you don't see to ride me is Pops. He will not be along with me on this race. He has some prior commitments that he has to attend. Anyway, with that, we're going to go ahead and head on up to Mokan. We're going to go a little bit different route and a little bit different driving experience. So anyway, with that, let's get on down the road. Okay, we are actually traveling a different route. The route I'm taking today is good old Highway 44 up on the turnpike. So they're doing lots of construction up through Coffeyville and stuff, and I just don't want to contend with that construction. So I'm going to be going up here on the turnpike, and I'm going to be coming back on the turnpike. So anyway, but for now, let's get on down the road. Okay, finally made it to Mokan, and we're pretty far backed up, just off the road, just going into the track. Even though it is extremely hot this weekend, there are a lot of people here, so thankful for that. So let's go find a pit spot. I'm gonna be next for the next day, or for next day, and let's get set up. Hot. Okay guys, pretty much got the car warmed up. I did not take it down the track or the return road, any of that stuff. I typically don't do that on really hot days, especially if I'm running 2 classes. I figure my 4 passes qualifying stuff is going to get the car warmed up enough. Some people think it's crazy, but that's typically what I do anyway. So anyway, got the car warmed up best I can right now. Just waiting to get us called to the lanes. We'll make a few passes and see how we do. So anyway, I don't know if you can see that or not. That shows 97. Well, you can definitely tell I'm not in the groove of it, because guess what? I forgot my 360 camera. It is what it is. Sorry guys, I wish I had the 360 on the car. It's 200 miles back home. Yep. We're done qualifying. Man, my lights suck. Okay, it's gonna be weird. I got a 665 on the dial, so we'll see how we go. Like I said, the camera's kind of, the 360 camera's off. But anyway, here we go, round 1 of February. Super Pro no E, won that, had a great light, 006. The other guy red lighted. So this round I'm still sticking, I ran at 67. My no E's been off about 2. I'm gonna stick 65 on it. Sun's really setting down, so I think we should be good on this one. So we'll see what happens, and guaranteed I am going to have a dragster. Okay, yeah, what can I say? I got very lucky on that round for Super Pro. Got a 38 light, 2nd gear start, so, and the guy just red lighted .006 red. So anyway,
first round winners buybacks.
Hey,
you should be in the lane.
It's a win. It's not pretty, but it's a win. So anyway, no buybacks today.
Immediately.
Sorry, no buybacks today. So on to round 2. Here we go. Okay, round 2, no E. I went up on the dial. Yeah, 666. So we'll see how how that works out. I don't know if we'll run that or not. I mean, last pass did 67, so temperature's getting better, but we'll see. So round 2 coming up. Round 2, going with a 65. No, you can see that I'm not going to have another dragster. Hopefully I won't leave it in second gear this time. I can't get lucky twice. So anyway, here we go. Okay, round 3, foot brake. Going with a 65 now. So, see how that works out for me. So, here we go. I just missed the light. Plus the car slowed down too, and I should have known that. It's been loading too off from Super Pro for a while. But I'm going back to 65 on Super Pro, so hope it's good. Okay, round 3 did not go that well for me for both classes. My foot brake class, which is no E, I just missed a light. I had a 60 light, he had a 26, and the car ran off too, so it didn't run the dial. So I thought I was pretty safe to go ahead and put a 665. It ran a 67 on a 65. So I thought it was okay to go ahead and run a 65 on my Super Pro, thinking how, you know, and it's been running 65s in Super Pro, so, and it's about 2 difference between no E and Super Pro. Anyway, put a 65 on it, left it as a 65. Racing a really fast dragster. He's a 478 to my 665. So just about 2 seconds, a little under 2 seconds. Anyway, I trusted my dial. I ran it all the way out. I didn't even look over to the lane, see where he's at. And I ran a 63 on a 65. So I broke out by 019. Just, you know, I don't know why I picked up. 60 foot got really, really good. So, is what it is. I mean, what can I say? But it had a great light. No 08 light. He had a 22. So, if I ran a 65 and dial 65, that'd been a really good race. But oh well. So anyway, that's it for this video. Sorry I did not have the GoPro 360 on. I'm not too sure how the in-car camera worked. But it is what it is. Tomorrow at least will be in the daylight. Should be a little bit better. So anyway, with that, I'm out of here until tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's too cool. Oh my gosh.